Alright, in this video I am going to show you how to construct a parallel line. So what I want to do is the first step is similar to constructing a perpendicular line. I'm going to put a point above my line. It doesn't matter where. Then I'm going to use the circle with the center through the point. I'm going to center at one of my endpoints through that point I just drew. And then I'm going to go center at my other endpoint through that. Then I'm going to change from drawing a line segment to a line. And I'm going to go from the crossing point that I have through the other crossing point of the circle. Next step, I want to draw a point randomly on my line that is perpendicular. Then I'm going to do a center with a radius. I'm going to center at the crossing point through that point I just drew. Now, what I can do is I can draw a perpendicular line through this circle. I am going to change this circle's color so it is easier to focus on. Let's go change it to this color. Okay. And then I'm going to put a point at the other point where the circle is crossing that line. I am going to draw a circle centered through the point. I'm going to center it at the point I made earlier to make my circle through the point that I drew of the circle crossing the line. And then I'm going to flip that. I'm going to center at that point through the other point. Kind of looks like an eye now. See, it's kind of like a blue iris in the middle. What I want to do next is I am going to draw my line through the two crossing points of that eye-shaped thing. And this is my parallel line. So let me change this color. Let's do red. Let's undo that. Okay, so this red line is parallel to the original line AB that I have drawn down below. So the way I can check to make sure that these two lines are parallel is if I go to the angle measure, I can check slope. I'm going to click G to H, tells me my slope is 0. If I go A to B, it also tells me my slope is 0. So because the two slopes are the same, that means my lines are parallel.